Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best portable jump starter and air compressor you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many portable jump starter and air compressor and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each portable jump starter and air compressor so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a portable jump starter and air compressor. First, check the power capacity of the jump starter measured in peak amps to ensure it can handle your vehicle's engine size. Next, look at the air compressor's maximum pressure rating and airflow speed, as these determine how quickly it can inflate tires. Portability is another key factor. Choose a compact and lightweight model that's easy to store and carry. Safety features like reverse polarity protection, overcharge prevention, and LED emergency lights are also important for reliable use. Additionally, consider the battery type, whether lithium-ion or lead-acid, since it affects performance and durability. Finally, check for extra features such as USB ports or digital displays that add convenience. Choosing the right combination of power, safety, and portability ensures dependable performance anytime. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.